Hi guys, what's up everybody? My name is Jacquie Whitt. I'm the owner of Adios Adventure Travel. And I'm the organizer of all your trips. For 10 years I've been traveling around South America, and I've been to all these places, and I've set up lots and lots of trips every year for probably thousands of people at this point. I can't take credit, I don't do it alone. I have really fabulous, amazing local resources. Some of you may know my business partner is Vidal Jaquehua. He's a Quechua man, he lives in Cusco, and he and I have been buddies for 10 years. So it's with his help that I'm able to do this. So let's get going. What I want to tell you about today is 4 really special interest trips that we have set up. And the really cool thing about each of these trips is we've been able to arrange for an expert to travel with the group. So in case you don't know anything about Adios Adventure Travel, our company only works in small groups. Everything we do is small, small, small. But the impact, I'm telling you, is big, big, big. So the first opportunity for you is a culinary adventure in May to Peru. To Machu Picchu, of course. And with this group, we've arranged for Virginia Miller. She has an extensive background in food and beverage and travel, and she's going to accompany the group every step of the way. From villages, cooking classes, restaurants, you're going to taste and savor and smell and touch food and drinks and stones, lots of stones. The next trip we have is in June. It's also in Peru, and this is going in a totally different direction. It's with a filmmaker, and it's an adventure. So there's some interesting things about this. I can't tell you all the details. You have to find our website and look for yourself to see everything there is. Roger Richards is a filmmaker from Norfolk, Virginia. He will accompany this group and make a movie about how the Inca could have carved all of the stones that you see in the Andes, not just Peru, but in Bolivia as well. So this trip includes a visit to Machu Picchu and a visit to the Amazon for a special project. There's also an optional extension to Bolivia to see Tiwanaku. So go to the website if you want to see all the details. The next trip is going to be a photography trip to Peru with a really cool, world-class, famous photographer, Allison Wright. She travels a lot, and she has books, she has published in major magazines, and she's going to be with you guys on this trip. You're going to get the best shots of Machu Picchu. You'll have cultural trips to small villages. You're going to do things that are off the beaten path, and Allison's going to be with you every step of the way, guiding you, helping you get the best shots. The final trip we have is in August as well, and this one is to Ecuador. Equatorial Andes has the most amazing microclimates, and in this area they're able to grow everything from coastal, cloud forest, high altitude regions, and we put it all together in a fabulous culinary trip with a Food Network TV host, Jamie Sire. Some of you may see her on Wednesday nights with Iron Chef. Anyway, we're so happy that we've been able to hook up with these friends of ours to offer these trips for you. And we hope you'll visit our website. You'll see all of these trips listed under the Trips tab from the homepage. You're welcome to call me. I'm in Virginia. I have an assistant here, and we are both waiting to help you anytime you're ready with questions. We're here to assist you with flights. We're here to assist you with any questions you have about travel to South America. My telephone number is 757-714-6649. Anyway, it's been great talking with you, and I hope to see you in South America.